Here's another area you won't want to see me working. I would fucking just decline these motherfuckers. There's no way, dude. Look at this shit. This is Scottsdale for you. Let me get another view. This is a whole row of fucking turds. Look at that. That's fucking crazy. Look how steep that pitch is on those. You're supposed to stand next to those units and in between the shingles and the unit and not trip over that pipe and pull the cover off. There's no freaking fucking way. Anyone, I don't care. I'm not afraid of heights that much, but these kind of jobs scare the fuck out of me when I'm standing on there. One slip when you're trying to pull a panel off, you're falling on your ass and you're going down. Bam! 2 stories down. And just like anything, when a builder is fucking stupid and some jackass freaking okays this type of shit to lay the drafting board, they build hundreds of them like that. And such is the case here. This is 7700 East Indian School Road. The address is down here on the next road, but check this shit out. Holy shit, somebody added solar on top of that one. That's fucking insane. Let's get a side perspective here to see how fucking steep this shit is. Who wants to get up there and service those fucking units? There's no way. Got a bunch of, you can see there's a couple old suckers there. Not sure what those are. They're over-unders, and they got flue pipes on them. Actually, that's not a popular model. Don't think that's Gettle, but it's got to be one of the old brands. Carrier did make a couple Octo over and under units. So, and there's one of them, 2 of them, of those older units still up there working. The Gettle, Heil to Pile, old original unit, a train, American Standard, whatever, over and under, another Gettle, and another one of the old ones, and then there's another newer train where they converted it over. Holy shit. And then there's a carrier way down there, a new square carrier. Who the hell thinks of this shit? Who the fuck designs this shit? And who the hell says, okay, this is a good design, and how the hell does it get off the drafting board and in the plans? I don't understand how the fuck this shit goes on. This is the Pheonix, Arizona area, and I'm in Scottsdale to be exact right now. It's just insane. Fuck. My days of climbing that shit are over. Fuck that. Fuck those units. They could call somebody else, and there's a whole bunch similar over there. Right through here. There's more right there. Those blue roofs look really cool, by the way. Holy shit, Batman. You better call Batman if you want to get up there and work on those units. Because that's just insane. Look at that fucker. Holy shit. That's some steep ass shit too. No thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. Adios, motherfuckers.
What the bloody hell was that?